Today I received this nice slingshot from a member in the forum, Kerkusuber Kuman. A nice cork red ring oak. Anillo rojo. I will shoot it. It has a very nice fit to the hand. Thanks, Ku. It seems to be a great slingshot. I will shoot it for first time. Whoa, nice. Like it. Nice slingshot, Kuman, and a very professional pouch. Seems to be Tex pouches with TerraBand gold, very tapered, very fast. Thanks, Ku. A great slingshot you sent to me.